Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, yeah, getting really difficult with this wave count here that we had on the chart in the last video. Technically still possible that we count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and the wave 5 would be coming, but it's getting tough, yeah. So we take a look at that in a minute. Overall, where do we come from? From the low here in June 22. We moved up very impulsively in a wave 1, came down in a 2, moved up in a 3, down in a 4, moved up in a very, very long wave 5. We then came down here, up here somewhere around $40. I told you we will probably come down now in a wave 2 correction into my target range here in green between $23, basically the wave 4 low here, and yeah, $33. Now we came down, we touched the area, we came down to $32. But we didn't really go deeply into this green area. So then we started to move up, which already looked very impulsively in a wave 1, came down in a 2, moved up in a 3, down in a 4, and we would now expect to move up in a 5, ideally, to yeah, probably just make a start of this larger wave 3. Because if you just look at the larger waves, what we've done, we've moved up in a wave 1, the first 5 wave move, we moved down in the 2, the ABC move here, and we would now expect to be in the wave 3. That should take us, yeah, much higher, so around, I don't know, $60, $70, yeah? Maybe even higher. But what is happening here doesn't really look great. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of what's happening here at the moment. So there's a few possibilities how this could now be unfolding. One possibility, and that is the best case, would be if this here is indeed still an impulse as we counted it. Yeah, so basically a move in a wave 1 to the upside, in a wave 2 to the downside, basically here an A wave down, an overshooting wave B, and then a wave C down in a running flat in a wave 2. We then moved up in a clear 5 wave move to the upside in a wave 3. We're now coming down in a wave 4. As you can see, we are not yet cutting into the wave 1 price range, but honestly, if it goes below $38.75, that's it, then we cannot continue with this wave count. But this would be the best case at the moment, and we would now need to move up in a wave 5 that should take us above the wave 3 high, above $45.76. That wave 5 then could be the first wave of that wave 3. That makes sense, yeah, because it's too short. You know, to complete the wave 3, you need to have a massively long wave 5. I don't think that's realistic in terms of proportions. That's sort of the best case. The, let's say, second best case would have to try to find a way to count this as some kind of a weird leading, expanding diagonal. You know, it's possible. That would then be a leading diagonal in a wave 3. In that case, we could have an overlapping wave 1 and 4. Do I find it likely? No, but it's possible. And then the, let's say the worst case maybe, it's not the worst case. Let's say in the not so good case, where we need a bit more patience, we have only done here in this move down the first wave of the wave 2. So that what we are going to see then, because we did not break above the wave 1 high, unfortunately, here, and we did not break above 45.75. This could be a wave 1, A. This here, a wave B, because it's a 3-wave move. You can count that as a 3-wave move. And now we would be coming down in a wave C. Is it my primary expectation? No. I think we are still here, either in that impulsive wave pattern, hopefully, yeah. And again, here as well, you know, if this is a 1-2, okay, we could also count this as a 1-2. So it's a bit uncertain at the moment. For me, therefore, the best indication that we are continuing to go higher in that third wave would indeed be a breakout above the wave 3 high at 45.82. Confirmation that we are going lower would be a move below 35.61. If we go below 35.61, I think then it's clear that we have not yet seen the low of the wave 2, and that could then cascade down here further into the green area with, I guess, a key support level at the 50-day moving average, currently at $27. And the next key level is the wave 4 low at around about $23. That would also make sense because normally after an extended fifth wave, which we had here, those waves, the wave 2 normally comes down all the way down to the wave 4 low, the previous wave 4 low. So it remains interesting. We have to be a bit patient here, various possibilities. I gave you the key levels in which we have a confirmation for either scenario. So here the move above the wave 3 high at 45.70 would indicate that indeed we are pushing higher in the wave 3 and can reach levels above $60, $70. A break below the wave 2 low here, below 35.70, would indicate we get once more deeper and then probably quite strongly into that green area down here. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum Classic. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.